Friends, this is Bhupati Raj, Mantra IAS Academy, Hyderabad. Today's topic, odd one out, a very important one for our CSAT II, that UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination Paper 2. So same style, I will show the question paper. And just before, do one thing. You try all these questions, my youngsters. And of course, for every question, I can give you the answer, no doubt in that. Provided, before starting the topic, I'll give you the base. Just first question, second, third, fourth. This is a fifth one. 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'll show up to 10 and again the remaining point I can tell you 11th onwards. So now the questions you observed here. Before, right, starting this one, I'll just give you the introductory concept. What is odd one out? See beta, example, you take the odd one out point of view. Some letters will be given that. AB, you take two letters here, right? XY. Next you can say MN, then PT. Out of four combinations, this is of you can say A, B, C, and you say beta D. One combination is different, or it is not at all suitable for this whole set of numbers. One is different one. Come and find out the different one. In a simple way, I want to tell you that AB, this is what you call sequence. XY, MN, but PT is a wrong one because P after you can find Q. So this is a different one. And if you go in little level, upper level, what you can say that? After, because if a word is there are some, whenever you don't have any idea, the same question will be given in other answer, right? AB, XY, MN, and PT, if the concept is there, some people can write answer is AB. Why, sir? Because in this set of two letters, of course, this is as A is a vowel. So that's the reason, sir, answer is A. Good, no problem. That means what? One logic should be applicable, but for the same question, different answers should not be there, right? In different logics, if you have for the same question, different answers, if it comes in different logic, that question is purely wrong. But in that case also, we have primary and secondary applications are there. That's a secondary case, right? Anyhow, now the question example, I'll go with this one. COW, BOY, and you can say girl, right? And you can say man. Now out of this, it's easy to say the answer is COW. Cow is different one compared to this. No need of telling you anything. So beta what? Maximum, right? Maximum for every question we have one logic. So apply that logic and it should be suitable for all the question. That's the topic you can say odd one out. In this one, I'll start with one question, easiest question please. Now look at here. 36, 64, 108 and 54. Come and guess the answer. What is the answer for this one, my friends? Right? Basically, if you look at the question, this is 6 square, of course. It's 8 square. Now, if anything is there, I'll apply the squares of the numbers. But 54 is not a square and 108 also not a square. So the square logic is not suitable here. Then immediately do one thing that. So 3, 6. 3 plus 6 is how much, my friends? It's 9. Exactly. 1 plus 0 plus, I'll write here, 3 plus 6 is 9. 1 plus 0 plus 8 also 9. And 5 plus 4, this also 9. Whereas if I take 6 plus 4 is 1, 0. So now you can definitely decide the answer. Sum of the digits is same in all the numbers, but in this case is wrong. So the answer is 64. You can tell in other angle also the same question that all the numbers except 64, all are divisible by 9. All are divisible by 9. Even some people can say divisible by 3 also, not a problem. Because the number which is divisible by 3, 9, obviously divisible by 3. Na? So the answer is what? These are that both are same. So now for this question is 64 is the answer beta. Right? Now come to the point of 6th bit here. 212, 343, 757 and 511. So in this case, 212, 343, 757, 511. 1 is different. Simple, I don't want to waste your time now. See, beginning, ending same. Beginning and ending the number, these numbers are same. Whereas 5, 1 is there now. So this is what you can have. 5, 1, 5 means I'll be going another way. But answer is 3, 5, 1, 1. So that is the answer here. Clear? Later, I'll come to the first number. In the point of this, please, vowel is very major point in the point of odd one out. So, first of all, even exactly if you don't get any logic, count the letters. Count the letters. If one set is 5, other set is 6, 5, 5, 5, 6 letters are there, then this is a different one. And whenever you don't have any other things is what? Check the vowels, existence of vowels. You know, A, E, I, O, U, right? This is what actually. So those people, those who are willing to join our online program or offline program, most welcome to Mantra IAS Academy. We'll describe so many things there and we can discuss so many number of questions in that particular case. Anyhow, now it's of my just what completely, right? In fact, in the point of supporting you people, just I can upload all the videos of CSAT maximum. Already I've uploaded 3 or 4 topics now, and every day I'll try to upload one video, right? Countdown started. Don't worry. Notification is going to be released within days of time because actually it's on 14th, it has to. But you know, because of technical reasons, as of now it's not there. We're expecting very soon. Now come to the point. 63, 81, 121 and 225. But here the logic is very simple because apply this. Two digits are there, in this case 3 digits. So better what not digits application here. It's 11 square. It's you can say 15 square. It's exactly 9 square. So this number is not a square. Not a square, because don't go for the secondary logic. By primary logic you are getting that. Secondary logic implies what if adding of the digits and something like that one. So in that case, generally even that also you shouldn't get any different answer. But you will get different answer for this one. But that's the reason I'm focusing. One thing is that we have taken the squares of the numbers. So on to this 63 beta. Now, yeah, just I mentioned the vowels now. Same thing, I've taken 2 questions here. ALIDZ, ALIDZ, ACZXV, FASJE, NDWVS. Baba here, if you observe that, right? No combination, the gap between A and AL, LIN, the gaps or something, it's impossible. The only one thing in this case to observe here, right? Because of in every set of letter, in every set we have 5 letters only. Then what? Every set has one vowel minimum. In this case, of course, we have 2. In this case, of course, we have 1. In this, we have A and E 2 letters. In nothing in this case. So what do you say? At least one vowel. So this is what you can say. Answer is NDWVS. So same style, please come to the point of here. Question number 3. I've taken the same other one also here because number of models you have, my friends. Point is, just you by this topic what you will get an idea. That's important, and of course my intention is that QRTU, DEWX, STJK, KIJL. Baba, if you observe here, in every set, what you can have, sir? Definitely one vowel here, one vowel here, because E, one vowel here. Whereas in STJK don't have any vowel letter. So answer is C. That's the story here. Correct? Understood now? Excellent. Then come to the point of view. Now, tank, ocean, lake, well. Yeah, people will definitely, in this case, what actually, they will have different answer. But I want to give different, what's the intention of asking this question, I can tell you, my youngsters. Baba, if you observe here, these are tank, lake, well. This is a limited scope. But you know, in the ocean, we have unlimited quantity of water. Unlimited quantity of water. That's the reason we have to give the answer for this ocean, right? So this type of thinking is essential for your examination. Then go to question number 7th, my youngsters. 49, 85, and you say 121 and 81. Exactly, by looking at the question directly, you can get the answer. That's no need of going for secondary application. By looking at the question, you can say that's primary logic. So it is 7 square, it's 11 square, it's 9 square, but this is not a square number. So answer is that issue over. Finish. That's the style of doing. Then 5 means the topic is odd one out. Baba, 1 is different, that's it. So it is not only for, of course, CSAT II, any central government examination. You are going to write CDS example. Same thing, topic is very important, right? You can say Provident Fund. That's also same thing. And SSCGL, any examination, the style is same. Now, I wouldn't even CLAT, the law exam, because we offer that our programs, especially Mantra, meant for UPSC and law entrance examinations. So in that also we have 5, 11, 9 and 7 beta. 5, 11, 9 and 7. Observe that. These are specific numbers. By looking at all these numbers, you can get the answer easily that 5, 7, 11. 9 is not a prime. Not a prime. These are prime numbers. You know prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 like that we have. So 9 has the factors. So it's not a prime number. So answer is in this set of four numbers, C is the different one. But at this ninth one, because I want to tell you some different questions here. You can find, of course, right, different odd number, prime number. These all the numbers are, it's a common thing. Squares and cube roots, everything is there. But I want to give you some different questions here today. That's the reason I've taken ninth question differently, please. 100-25, 90, 14, 160, 10, 250, 250 and 10. That's 10. Tell the answer now. Baba, if you observe that the first number is definitely divisible by 25. Second number, 100 by 25 gives you that. And you can say the second number definitely divides the first one without, right, decimals. That's called as, now without any remainder, you can say that 1025 is confirmed, 1016 is confirmed, but this 90 and 14 is not in that fact. So answer is B beta. Implies second number will divide the first number without any remainder. That's the answer here, right? So that different things I want to tell you. That's my intention here. Then 25, 17, 58 and 50, 49, 41, 83, 75. But it's a very good question here. Please observe very carefully what you're going to find in this case is major point. So logic in this case, if you observe here, now I want to just change here. It's 50, not of 49, 50, 41. Yes. Logic 25 and 17 beta. Difference is 8. 58 minus 80 is 50. 83 minus 8 is 75. So I have changed the question. 50 minus 41 is 9 but not 8. So answer I have to write it is. So I changed the question. Otherwise simply I would be writing one more number. But in this case without A, B, C, D options. So that's the reason I have changed the option C. 50, 49. The difference is 9. Because of that reason answer is C beta. Then please go to question number 11. 15, 12 and 20, 10, 30, 18, 45, 27. So in this difference also one logic I want to tell you here. That's what. The difference is of course 3. In this case difference is how much? 10. In this case difference is how much here please? 12. In this case please observe that difference is 18. 18 plus 27, 45. 12 plus 18, 30 like that. So beta the difference numbers are there. That's a secondary logic. After writing the differences, right? These all the numbers are divisible by 3. But this difference is not divisible by 3. So the answer is what you say, 2010. So this is what my intention of telling some different type of questions here today. 10, 11, 15, 16, Baba. 10, 11. Looking at the question, simplest question it is. Because 11 doesn't have any, of course, there is no factor for 11. But all the numbers are factors. So this number is what you call here prime number. And others are non-prime numbers. So that's the reason, please. 13th, in words also you can find when you can have the combination of letters. In that case also you can find very simplest way, Baba. Observe that. Now just see Y after Z, B after C, W, X. You can say relation X, C and Y, B like that. It's not a problem, A, Z. Whereas here, W, X, B, C, Y, Z. But P after must be Q should be there. It's not there. So answer is stop. That's the case. Now in same style, we have the next one also here. Observe here. Observe here. Very important. One is starting in the middle. M, N, O. This is B, C, D, U, V, W. So X, Y, Z should be there. So this is not the same application. So option is D beta. Now that 15th question. Hope you understood the style of doing the problems of odd one out. Right? So this is what actually definitely it helps you that, and take any textbook if you are not willing to join any program or any course, of you can say that if you want to prepare yourself, it's not wrong, right? Then by base of this, you can just open textbook and do it. I wish you all the best. My target is that you people should be a wonderful officer. That's what actually, right? You have to be a wonderful officer, my young student. Because one person is, of course, if those were the person who's observing my video. God bless you. So night, day, white, black. night, light, dark, sun, moon. See beta, this is quite opposite. Opposite of night, day, white, black, light, dark. So answer is D. So these type of things, are many questions are there, no problem. But I think you understood what's odd one out. Friends, try all these questions and of course subscribe to my channel. By that you can get majority. And within days of time, I'm going to upload that preliminary GS paper also. Right? Daily some questions I want to give you that. Just follow that one. Countdown like that up to May 24th. If you do regularly, you can do definitely better in your examination. God bless you. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.